Alright, I haven't posted a video in a while, so just wanted to show you all what was going on in our garden. We are in January 2023. You see over there, that's the main garden right there. You see I got it filled up with leaf bags. So what my plan is to put all those leaves down in the garden right there. And then on top of the leaves, I'm gonna fill it up with wood chips. So I decided to go back to the wood chip gardening method because I didn't like getting out here and cleaning up those weeds. It seemed like every day I had to come out here and clean up some weeds. That was just too much time consuming. So I'm gonna go back to the wood chip gardening. Over here, you can see we got 2 tarps over there. That's under those tarps is firewood from a tree that I had cut down. All right, over here is another tree that me and my son cut down, and that's the remnants from that tree right there. So I'm gonna chop that up some more, use that for the fireplace. So yeah, so we had to get rid of 2 trees, but they're gonna go back into use. I'm gonna use them for the fireplace, keep us warm. Another tarp under there is also firewood also. And over in that corner right there, it's a bush that I cut down about a month ago. Just got that all sitting there, ready to go. More likely we're gonna use that in the fireplace also. Yep. And right there also, more wood is going in the fireplace. Yep. All right, so just wanted to get out here, show everybody what was going on in our garden and in our yard. Since I haven't posted a video in a while, but I appreciate you all coming back to watch our channel. If you haven't subscribed already, you should consider doing that along with hitting that bell so you know when we're gonna post another video. All right, appreciate you all. Hope you all have a good rest of your year. I will talk to you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Steady Gardener.